Bullish AAVE cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $279.23 and $527.43 by 2030. Market investigators accept AAVE could reach $217.18 by 2025. Bearish AAVE market cost expectation for 2023 is $49.64. AAVE presentation. AAVE has become famous as one of the main conventions for decentralized crypto advances consistently. AAVE has secured itself as a powerful stage that is consistently refreshed and upgraded. Through different administrations, AAVE's clients might get and loan an assortment of cryptographic forms of money. AAVE is one of the 6 biggest decentralized finance drives, as per DEFI Llama, because of numerous moneylenders securing in their coin. Holders of the AAVE token get diminished stage costs, and may likewise involve it as an administration token. What is AAVE? Business visionary Stani Kilichov decided to make his own credit application in 2017 when there weren't any on Ethereum. To empower individuals to loan and get Ether, ETH-Lend was created. In any case, when the venture ventured into a few digital forms of money, the moniker was at this point not suitable. In September 2018, Kilichov changed the venture's name to AAVE. In English, the Finnish expression AAVE, and that signifies apparition, represents the stage's objective of fostering an open, straightforward foundation for decentralized banking. By offering interest, AAVE urges its clients to get cryptographic money into liquidity pools. Borrowers can leave the pool, yet a greater measure of guarantee is required. At the end of the day, over-collateralization is the giving of security that is more significant than planned misfortunes in default circumstances. You might get cash from AAVE without giving any security. Clients can get a digital money through a Glimmer credit, which should be reimbursed inside a block. With a Blaze credit, borrowers might exploit the different valuing being given at different trades. To make this strategy as speedy and straightforward as could really be expected, the token was made. Proprietors of AAVE might decide on convention changes, including those influencing the guidelines overseeing the business sectors and how saved monies are taken care of. AAVE key investigation. Stani Kilichov laid out the Swiss firm AAVE in 2017. Under the moniker ETH-Lend, the organization sold 1 billion AAVE, recently known as loan, in an ICO that collected about $16.2 million. For the AAVE group, the excess 300 million AAVE units were kept. AAVE is constrained by a decentralized organization of PCs utilizing savvy contracts over Ethereum blockchain. AAVE current cost. AAVE is presently worth $62.05 USD. AAVE has moved 1.39% as of now with an exchanging volume of $61,085,008. AAVE is presently positioned 43 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $874,489,407 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling disparity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for AAVE to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. AAVE Value Expectation 2023. AAVE, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The AAVE cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $93.08. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $86.87 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable soon given expected joint efforts and headway. AAVE is supposed to have a base worth of $74.46. AAVE Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, AAVE cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of AAVE will before long outperform $155.13. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the AAVE's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, AAVE will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $124.10 and a typical exchanging cost of $136.51. AAVE Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $217.18 and AAVE might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. AAVE is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $198.56 and a low of $186.15 in 2025. AAVE Value Expectation 2026. Assuming that AAVE effectively helps market opinion among digital money devotees, The AAVE coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, AAVE will be green in 2026. The AAVE is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $279.23, with a base cost of $248.20 and a typical cost of $260.61. AAVE Value Forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the AAVE cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $322.66 by 2027, with a base cost of $310.25 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, AAVE has a greatest value worth of $341.28. AAVE Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $384.71. On the off chance that AVE figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $403.33. Neglecting to assemble the help AAVE needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $372.30. AAVE Value Forecast 2029. While AAVE is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $434.35 and a yearly cost close above $465.38 in 2029. AAVE Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, AAVE will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $496.40 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $527.43, averaging out at $508.81. AAVE Value Expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest AAVE cost in 2031 is projected to be $608.09 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $583.27. And DEFI credits have a sizable market, as shown by AAVE, whose convention is the norm in the area. Regardless of whether the symbolic cost has balanced out throughout recent months, examiners have noticed that the credit stage's impending objectives could make for an intriguing year. What is the AAVE cost today? Today, AAVE is exchanging at $62.05 with an all-out market capitalization of $874,489,407. Is AAVE a wise speculation? AAVE ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. Considering this, it is shrewd to say that AAVE is a decent decision of venture. How high could AAVE at any point go? The typical cost of AAVE might potentially reach $86.87 this year. Throughout the following 5 years, it is projected that AAVE might outperform $403.33. What amount will AAVE be worth in 5 years? In light of the rising prevalence of digital